Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the mirror cube. I also have a video on me doing it blindfolded, so if you want to check out that, then it will be on my channel. Okay, so the first step to solving this is getting a full bottom piece. So the best bottom piece to use is the thinnest one. So I have the thinnest one right here. And I have to find all the thin pieces. So this is a thin piece, and this is a thin piece. And then you stick it in, and if it's smooth, then that is a good thin piece. And then stick this in. Okay, it's good. So now that you got the cross matching, you need to make them all matching with their squares right here. So none of them are matching, so you turn it. So now this one's matching. No. Try to make more matching than just one. That one's matching. And these two are matching, but these two are not. So you'll move this up. Turn it so it's matching with this one. Then bring it down. Then turn it so it's matching with this one. Then bring it down. And then we'll have all this, and this will be matching. The next step is to get this thing full. So you already have one piece and it's matching. It's the right spot. So we need to find other pieces. So I think this is a piece. I need to pull it out. And okay, so this is a piece. And it's matching, right? So I'm gonna stick this one in here. This is a piece because it's smooth right here, but you can tell it isn't in its right spot, which means it goes over here because that's the last other one. So you move it out and go over to this one. So now it's matching. And you have, this is the last one. You can tell because it's thin. So you stick it in. And then you have all this, and you have to get all of these. So you just pick a piece, and then if it matches with one side and it doesn't match with the top, then that means it's going to go on one of the sides. So you try, and I got it right, so I would put it in. And then this one, so it's definitely going to go on this one, not this one, because this one's already full. So I do the algorithm that you'll do for a normal 3x3. And then it will be in. And then this is smooth. And it's tall, which means it's probably going to be in this one. And it's thick. And this one is like a thin spot. So it's probably going to be in this one. So I'm going to do it in this section. And I was right. Stick it in. And then this is already full right here, which means it's definitely going to go inside this one. Matches. And then you got it. So, after that, you have to get the whole top full. I'm going to be doing this way, CFOP way, because I think it's easier. So if you feel the top, these are the three that are matching. So because I'm using beginner CFOP, I'll do the algorithm for one that's like this. And then you'll have a cross. You've gotten the cross. You feel what is smooth with the cross, connected to the cross. And this is connected. So I'm just going to be showing one example of what it could be, and it's going to be this one. I'm not going to be showing you all of them. They're going to be all like they would be on a normal 3x3. So the question is, though, which side do I do it on? This side or this side? Normally you would decide by where the yellows are facing, but an easy way to figure out where the yellows are facing are to do the first move. If you do the first move and the two right next to each other after the first move are connected, then that means that's the right one. So it's not that one, which means it is this one. It is smooth, which means that is the right one, which means you do the algorithm. And now you have smooth, and then you find a flat spot, and then you do the algorithm for that. That will make the whole thing good. And okay, now that you've did that, all of it should be full, and you need to look to see if there's any sides that are together. If you feel against the side, they could be over here. So to test them out, you just move it to each side, and the one that's flat against is for 2. If there is none, then you will do the algorithm for if there is no 2 colors on the same side, like this. But if there is, then you will do the algorithm. And then the last algorithm, you will just see if by the middle pieces, you match them together on the right spots, and the middle pieces, this is matched, which means that it's going to be going this way or this way. And because you can tell that this small one needs to go right here, and this needs to go right here, and this needs to go right here, you'll do it on this side. But for if there are 2 next to each other, you just see 2 right here and 2 right here, and you see if these 2 swap or these 2 will swap, if they look like they would fit. And if you're wrong, then you can just try it again. But once you get better at it, you'll be able to tell quicker. So it's going this way, so I'll just do this, the algorithm. And then it'll be solved. And that's how you solve the mirror cube. If you're wondering how to solve any other Rubik's Cubes, then I will have a tutorial on most of them. I also have a tutorial on another weird shaped one, which is called the windmill cube, and that's my other one that does weird shapes. I have ones on the 3x3, 2x2, triangle, and many more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will have a link down below for where I get this and other Rubik's Cubes.